What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to plan meal for the weekend or the weekdays with the Claude. So here's a very highly effective prompt that you guys need to add into your routine. So first thing that I've added is dietary. First, the role that I mentioned to the Claude, what role is going to perform. And then after that, dietary goals is high protein, household size is cooking for one solo adult. Cooking time could be under 30 to 45 minutes for the weekdays and flexible on the weekends. Cuisine preferences halal. So I'm open to the other halal items apart from the South Asian ones. The beverage and preference is strictly zero sugar diet, carbonated drinks, along with the fresh squeezed lemonade or the fresh juices. Meals require breakfast and dinner plus one late afternoon snack. Disliked ingredients, I'm lactose intolerant. That is why I have mentioned it out so that it will give me the right option to eat. Now, over on the right hand side, you will see the high protein halal weekly meal plan. You guys can go with any option because it's totally up to you with what you guys have. So on the Monday, spiced chicken and egg breakfast, wrap shredded seasoned chicken and scrambled eggs rolled into a warm tortilla with the green chili and onion. Late afternoon snack, roasted chart chickpeas with the boiled eggs. Dinner, lactose-free chicken malai boti with mint chutney, your signature favorite. And yeah, so for the drink, it says fresh squeezed lemons. So we have till the end of it all the ingredients, all the vegetables and meat that we're going to use is in the ingredient section. So we can buy it before time. So that's how you guys can make it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.